Now we are going to learn data validation. I have selected some cells, and after having selected, I'll apply border. Okay. Now, for instance, let's consider we are going to insert only numbers here, not text. So first we select the cells, then we'll go to data validation. Then I'll choose here custom. I will write here is number, and within parentheses I'll put the address of the first cell of these selected cells. Okay, now let's verify. I have put number. It keeps on accepting. The moment I type text, it will not accept. Okay, same way. Next let's see how can we insert mobile phone number, mobile number. So according to Indian format, any number should start with +91. So I'll choose this cells, go to home, number, custom, and here I'll write +91 hash. Here hash means any digit. So I want the number with space after every 4 digits. So I have kept here space. Okay. Now I'll write on my contact number. You see, it automatically formats according to our requirement, according to our format. Now, even if I insert 2 digits, it will accept. But I want the acceptance should be only allowed for 10 digits, not more than for 10 digits and not less than for 10 digits. So what should I do? After having formation of these numbers, I'll put validation text length equal to 10. Now it won't allow to put more than 10 or less than 10 digits. One has to okay.